Please follow my camera to see an installation example of our product at a garment factory. When our air conditioner is turned on, the entire space cools down uniformly. Our air conditioning can cover an area of up to 200 square meters. Our products can also be installed in electronics factories, restaurants, mobile phone, accessory workshops, chemical workshops, toy factories, etc. By choosing Chemite, you can help your factory achieve cool production, improve production efficiency, and reduce operating costs.